Let's fix the FaceTime icon if it's grayed out for one person. Now, on your iPhone, if you head into, say, the phone app, and you go into a contact to FaceTime them, but it's grayed out, and when you tap on it, it doesn't work. There are a couple different reasons why this might be. The very first thing that I would recommend checking is making sure that phone number is linked to an iPhone. You can only send a FaceTime call to someone else with an iPhone or an iPad or Mac. This doesn't work for an Android phone number. So in this case, it says Android Trevor. You can see this is an Android number and it won't let me FaceTime. But if I go over to, say, another number that is an iPhone, you can see that FaceTime icon is not grayed out. So that's the very first thing to check to see if that is an Android phone number or if it is an iPhone phone number. If you're sure that it is an iPhone phone number, next let's head out of here and make sure there's not an issue with your FaceTime settings. So just scroll down until you get to FaceTime. And the very first thing we'll do is toggle FaceTime off. This will disconnect or disable the FaceTime service, and we'll just re-enable it after that. You'll be able to see it will go through the process of re-authenticating and turning that FaceTime on. Now, if this still doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is just going to the app library and let's find that FaceTime app and just manually open up the FaceTime app. From here, we're going to manually enter in that phone number to see if it works. Let's hit the new call. And then from here, all you need to do is hit that phone number. So just start typing in that phone number, whatever it might be, and then tap in FaceTime. It should work at that point. If it still doesn't work, let's walk through a couple steps. Let's hop out of here and go back into your settings. And we'll go back to the very beginning of your settings. From here, all we need to do is go through the process of resetting your network settings. So you can see it says here, reset network settings. This fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on your iPhone, including issues with FaceTime. Basically, it sets everything back to factory default within those network settings. After we've done that, if that still doesn't work, let's go back and check to see if a software update fixes that bug or glitch. Again, just update to the latest version on your iPhone and see if that helps to fix it. The last thing I would recommend doing if none of these work is a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until we see an Apple logo appear. So I'll walk you through those steps. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold the side button. Again, we're going to continue to hold it until we see that Apple logo. The entire screen will go black, just like that. And then a few seconds later, the Apple logo will appear. When that does appear, I will release my finger from that side button. And now you've successfully done a forced restart on that iPhone, and it should be up and running at that point.